Everyday conversation.
Start a conversation. Start a conversation.
Tell me about your job.
It's great. I fix computers.
Make a small talk. Make a small talk.
It's a nice day.
Yes, it is.
Compliment someone. Compliment someone.
That's a great sweater.
Thank someone. Thank someone.
Thank you.
Offer something. Offer something.
Here. Use my pen.
Refuse an offer. Refuse an offer.
No, thanks. I have one.
Apologize. Apologize.
I'm sorry.
Accept an apology. Accept an apology.
That's okay.
Invite someone. Invite someone.
Please come to my party.
Accept an invitation. Accept an invitation.
Okay. I'll be there.
Decline an invitation. Decline an invitation.
Sorry, I can't.
Agree. Agree.
This is a great book.
Yes, it is.
Disagree. Disagree.
This is a great book too.
No, it isn't.
Explain. Explain.
The air filter is there.
Check your understanding. Check your understanding.
Here?
More vocabulary.
Accept a compliment. To thank someone for a compliment. For example,
Your dress looks good.
Thank you.
make a request. To ask for something. For example,
Can I take this book?
Pair practice. Follow the directions.
start a conversation with your partner. Make small talk with your partner. Compliment each other.
Hey, I like your shirt.
Thanks. It's new. I got it last week.
Huh. Did you get anything else?
No, just the shirt.
Where did you get it?
I got it from the weekend market.
How much did it cost?
It cost about $12.
Really? That did not cost too much at all.
Yeah, it's a good price.
Huh.